हाल ही में सोनाली बेंद्रे पहुंची प्रीमियर ऑफ हॉलीवुड फिल्म बुक क्लब। बता दें कि यहाँ पर सोनाली बेंद्रे कई सारी बातें करते हुए नजर आई। सोनाली बेंद्रे के बारे में कहा जाता है कि शादी के बाद सोनाली का करियर बर्बाद हो गया था। अभी फिलहाल सोनाली बेंद्रे का 43 साल की उम्र में कुछ अलग ही लुक देखने को मिला। इस मौके पर सोनाली बेंद्रे कैसी लग रही थी और उन्होंने क्या क्या कहा, आइए आप सभी को सुनाते हैं।
Well, actually, Sonali's book club is presenting the movie, which is called Book Club, and it's such an apt title for friends who form a book club and how their life changes and what are the things that happen in their lives. So it's a really sweet movie, very, very fresh, and I thought it was really apt to do a tie-up like this with my book club because I think my book club members deserve something special. Yes, absolutely, and they've been so wonderful and they've been so enthusiastic that if I can in an organic way get them something extra, I'm always going to try and do that. So this I thought was a great thing to get for the members. Unfortunately, we have members only from Mumbai over here. Maybe one day we will get there where we'll have, yes we will, but it's a book club and it's we don't have that kind of monies, but we have a huge heart and lots of love for all our members. I have some of my really dear friends because this movie is more about girlfriends getting together, so I have a couple of my girlfriends also coming in, really just some close friends with my book club members to watch the preview of the movie. So like we said, before the audience sees it, we get to see it.
So talking about book and love towards book, which are the books that when you have read and you thought that it was like it changes your thought or it changes your life?
Honestly, every book changes you in some way because something you are gaining from it, and they always give you something. So but I think when you're younger, the life changing sort of changes happen. Now there are little things, and there's always something that you take away from every book. When I was younger, there were a couple of authors that really influenced me, and I think now in the recent times it's Elif Shafak's 40 Rules of Love, which have left a huge impact on me because I think I'm in a relationship, in a marriage, in love, and what does a mature relationship mean? So I'm at that age where I kind of appreciate it and understand it, so that book really means a lot to me. But otherwise, Isabel Allende, Toni Morrison, they've been authors who have really changed my life. It has helped me look, they were strong women writers, wrote about women, and that kind of subconsciously made me the woman I am. Oh my God, I can't name one, but I do love science fiction, and I think what was really life-altering in that sense for me was Isaac Asimov. And the fact is that I keep feeling nowadays that we are living in Asimov's world already. I mean, he wrote those books in 70s, and what all he wrote about, a lot of those things are already happening. So somewhere for me, I'm living that fantasy world already.
So I'm talking about horror novels. Were you a fan of Stephen
No,
King?
I'm not. I'm so scared that I can't read horror novels. If you've noticed on my book club, I don't have a horror novel as yet. I'm petrified of them. I can't read them.
Okay.
Maybe I should try it. It's a genre I haven't tried.
Okay, so in future, if you want to write an autobiography on yourself, what should
I'll
you
never write my autobiography.
You'll never write,
No.
but still a title to justify your.
No, I already wrote the book I wanted to write. I'll write something else. I'll write stories maybe, but not my autobiography.
So are you planning to write something?
I'm always writing something.
Recently the trailer has launched. Just able to see the trailer.
I will talk only about book club today. Please, come on. That film has enough stars to talk about them. We'll talk about our little film. Okay? Thank you.
It's quite exciting actually. Ek to movie is very exciting. It's got one of my favorites, Don Johnson, in it. Halaki, it's a movie for 4 women. Very great star cast: Jane Fonda, Candice Bergman, Diane West. But what's exciting me is the association PVR is having today for this film with Sonali Bendre. You know, there's a kitabon padhne ka jo art hai na, it's a little lost on everybody. So I love the fact that someone in India actually has a book club, and Sonali का खुद का book club है, उसके बारे में बहुत सारी बातचीत होगी, and that she's associated with a movie called Book Club, all thanks to PVR. And I'm looking forward to hearing a lot about good reading and watching a movie about it as well. Oh, I love reading books. I'm not a non-fiction reader, I'm a fiction reader. My favorite author is Wilbur Smith. He writes about Africa, and I love reading every single book of his. Currently, I'm reading something by John Grisham. So, yeah, I love reading. Yes. Actually, it's not much of an appreciation session, no time for us to read books. It's on behalf of PVR, I'm interviewing her about her own book club. She has a book club in Bombay, and I hope more people take up this cause and more people start book clubs. Oh, my favorite, it's got Don Johnson in it, so I'm waiting to watch it. Yeah.
Don't you think that we don't have such movies here? Let's talk about book club.
No, come on, 102 Not Out, I would say is quite close to it. It's got 2 veterans in it. Okay, it's 2 as before. But Bachchan Saab, how many movies like this? The late Sridevi, they've done some fantastic film work here.
Because she's so enterprising, she's such an intelligent, voracious reader, and I think that good quality in her is now spreading, and she's, you know, exposing her, you know, her beautiful intellect. And I'm really proud to be here today because I know that she is she's just doing this from the heart, and that's why I think that it's going to keep adding and getting more members, and all the best to the book club.
Ma'am, talking about the movie.
No, I'll leave that for Sonali. I'm her fan. Yeah. My favorite authors, oh my God, there are like so many. I like Khalid Hosseini, and I like J.K. Rowling. I like all.
Center.
Yeah.
I'm going to get in between now. We need to start.
Okay, bye. See you.
Just a second, one last question. What do you want to say about the movie? It's an ensemble cast and
I think it will be really beautiful and all very good actresses. And you know, like Jane Fonda is one of my favorites, so I'm really happy. Yeah.
Thank you.
Subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates.